Hi, it's Christina Nichols with Nichols GPS, and this is actually not a what's on the whiteboard. This is a how the heck do you get that stuff off of the whiteboard and have such a shiny whiteboard all the time, Christina, question. So I love this cloth that I found, and I'm not being paid to say this at all. I'm not like whatever, I'm an affiliate of this product. But so like look, what's on the whiteboard, right? You get that? Haha, yeah. So I have this cloth, it's from Expo, and it's this like cloth. It looks filthy now. It was white at one time, but I do a lot of whiteboard work, so it's pretty messy. But this thing is magical. It works so much better than those little black fuzzy erasers that come with your whiteboard. So it's just so slick. I mean, check that out. What a deal. I just had to share because I do like whiteboards a lot, obviously. Otherwise, I wouldn't do a What's on the Whiteboards series each week. So wanted to share that little tip with you. Hope everybody's doing well. Enjoy your own whiteboard work and have a great day. Bye.